Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. This video is a little off track in an organizing series, but what I wanted you to know was I'm still crafting. I'm still making messes. If you look, the layers are thicker than they were in the last. The drawers are open. That's a tub of stamps in that chair. The bottom drawer is open. I'm in the middle of watching some videos. There's layers. My iPad's not even sitting flush on the counter. The drawers are open. Hi, baby. Wilson. Oh, say hi, good boy. What I want you to see is life doesn't have to stop for organizing. I have stuff on the floor. I have an embossing station set up on my dryer. That's been that way it was that way overnight. And the other thing that I want to show you that's super important and doesn't look like much at all, this is my go away pile. And I mentioned that in a different video. What I'm doing is I always have a cardboard box. If you can't find a cardboard box, use a garbage bag, whatever, or just a flat surface out of your way where you won't feel guilty or trip over it. And I put stuff in there as I'm crafting. If I find stickers I don't like, organizers, paper, whatever, I am constantly thinning. This is a way that a crafter can have fun and still organize. So what's happening to me is the box, the washer and the dryer, they get full with giveaway stuff. But that allows me to keep crafting, have fun, and be thinning. What I am working towards is a setup so that at the end of a day, maybe not every day, but someday, I could come in here and put stuff away so that everything has a place. I'm really working on the concept of having a place for all my projects. And I think it's going to be that portable iris case that I've been talking about in different videos, because having a place where you can tidy up and switch to a different project is helpful. The top bin right there, and I probably mentioned this in different videos, but I want you to see how it evolves and it changes, and I'm wrong and I'll do it again. The top one right there is Smash That Small Paper Pad, because I should be working on that. But what you see strewn all over my counters is the Crafty Christmas collab. Now, if you're not a YouTuber and you're not in collabs, that's okay. It's gonna be present for Aunt Jane, or that December daily, or your gratitude journal, or birthday cards. Your projects will be different, but you'll still have different things. I think before I was a YouTuber, I still had multiple projects, let's be honest. So the top is Smash That Small Paper Pad. Then I had some spaces for Christmas. This is my pad for my Crafty Christmas collab. And then I have about 3 other boxes of Christmas embellishments and things. I also need to fit winter in there because I'm gonna do December daily of winter. Then I realized if I really wanna get some quilt pages done, if you've been watching my goals, you know about that, I need to fit them into that rack. If I don't start thinking about this pile and making things sequential, I won't do it. It's just like Eileen talked about. I have to work my way through the pile. I think that being honest with how we work is important. Many of you are butterflies like me, or we just get sidetracked, squirrel. Think about how you can set your room up for success, and maybe also how you define success. I do not expect to walk in here every day and see this 6-foot counter and this 10-foot counter uncovered. That is not reasonable for me. In fact, Mr. Crafting and Relaxing was not surprised at all that when he put in this brand new counter, the day that I stopped sitting on an ice pack and my back felt better, I covered it. Maybe in an hour. I don't know how long it took, but it wasn't very long. Just sharing ideas and thinking about how you can declutter as you go and really set your room up for you. There's no right way. Hear me when I say this. You guys can come over and do it, but I'm not gonna buy a label maker and label every one of the things. I'm not gonna spend a day putting all my stamps and dies in brand order. I'm just not gonna do that. One of my absolute favorite purchases for organizing, you can see it, I bought on this green box right here, you can see this washi tape, that's what it is, at Daiso, the Asian office supply kind of place. Maybe it's like a Japanese Dollar Tree. I bought plain white washi tape. And my thought was that I would decorate it. I have used almost the whole roll, and what I use it for is on these bins, you can see, even though that lid is open, there's clear tape right there where it says, or white tape where it says Etsy packing. That's what it was. It was this roll of white tape that I bought at Daiso. Maybe I need to grab a roll of plain masking tape and bring it in my room for the same thing. The thing I love about the washi tape is it doesn't leave any backing. You know, if you leave masking tape on there for years, it might. I change my mind so much it doesn't. That is my system. I tear it off. I use a Sharpie. Many of you say, oh, label makers aren't that expensive. I understand that. I just don't want to sit around type on a label maker. Those of you who have a label maker and make everything perfect, I love it. I love to watch your tours. But I know me, I will buy the label maker, I will do like 2, and then I will get sidetracked. Pick something that works for you. Thanks for watching. I hope at the end of this, it turns out beautiful and there's a place for everything. It's too soon to tell. And I must say, when you are doing holiday or major seasonal crafting, like I have all my Christmas and winter stuff pulled out of that big cupboard down there. We went over that on the video. It's overwhelming to do it right now, but I think it's good because as I go through my holiday bins, I'm doing the same thing. Do I want these stickers? Nope, I'm not going to use them. Don't wait for the perfect time to organize. I don't think it ever comes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.